Hey guys, Joe DeMarco from the Crazy New York Driver Show. Today is Sunday, December the 3rd, 2023. Welcome to another eBay video. I wasn't planning on making a video tonight, but I came across something that's just got me so triggered I had to share it with you. So I came across this particular eBay seller, and his feedback is 98.6%, which, as you know, on eBay is a terrible rating. eBay still considers him one of their most trusted sellers that offers great customer service. Nonetheless, I was scrolling through some of his many negative feedbacks and I came across this one right here. Let me read it to you. Despite all the advertising for eBay for auto parts, this was not a good experience. The part said it fit my specific model and trim level, but was close, but did not fit. I returned and was refunded for the parts, but not the shipping, even though I was not at fault. This is absolutely my last experience with eBay Motors for auto parts. Once again, a person selling cheap China garbage is responsible for driving another good buyer off the site. eBay does not want to address this. They put their head in the sand like a bunch of ostriches, and they say that because they are not the vero rights holder to the auto parts brands, they are helpless. Well, okay, I understand that point. What these cheap China sellers is doing or are doing is they are illegally putting brand names like General Motors, Ford, etc. on this junk overseas and sending it over here and representing it as the real thing. Cosmetically, they look pretty darn good, but they are not machined correctly, so they're not fitting correctly, and that's where the problem lies. eBay, I feel, should have a separate category in motors for this cheap China crap. And while I would like the category to be specifically called cheap China crap, I do understand that they couldn't actually call it that. They would have to maybe call it aftermarket parts. These unscrupulous sellers should be made to file these under aftermarket parts, and they should be automatically excluded from search unless the customer specifically checks that he's looking for aftermarket parts. Now, I invite anybody watching this video to go up to the search bar and type in a late model car. It could be GM, it could be a Trailblazer, a Tahoe, an F-250, an Excursion, anything late model, or foreign, it could be Toyota, Nissan, and see what comes up. Type in any part you want. My money says you're going to be hit with cheap China crap. It's proliferating eBay Motors worse than ever, and this is why today is my slowest Sunday in recorded history, making only one sale for $30. I'm not saying it's the only reason. The time of year is not good, but these cheap China sellers are literally driving good buyers off eBay, and here's the proof. I really wish the people at eBay would listen and do something about this. I don't want eBay to become another Amazon, which is saturated with cheap China crap. Thank you for watching my video. I'm Crazy New York Driver, and you're not. Rock on and peace.